The #1 best food for aging skin. Can you guess what it is? Here's a hint. It's not collagen. Most people believe that the way to keep their skin youthful is by applying facial creams, serums, or moisturizers. In fact, if you look at the best-selling wrinkle and anti-aging creams, you'd assume they're packed with miracle ingredients. But when I actually went through the ingredient lists, what I found was shocking. Many of these products contain plastics, harsh chemicals, and even substances linked to cancer. Some lotions include collagen, but here's the truth. Collagen applied topically doesn't get absorbed into your skin. It just sits there. Meanwhile, all the other harmful chemicals in those creams do penetrate the skin, making their way into your bloodstream. Over time, they build up in your liver, forcing it to process and eliminate toxins. This constant stress on your liver can make your skin look even older. Another common mistake people make is over-cleansing. Scrubbing your skin too aggressively strips away the natural microbiome, a protective layer of beneficial microbes. These microbes are essential for skin health. When you wash them off, you remove an important defense system. So, always be gentle when exfoliating, and remember, less is more. Let's also talk about water. The water you use in your daily shower often contains fluoride and chlorine, both extremely harsh and toxic to the skin. That's why I recommend using a shower filter to protect your skin barrier from these chemicals. There's another hidden factor that contributes to aging skin: statin drugs. Now, I'm not saying don't take your prescribed medication, but it's important to understand how statins work. They block cholesterol, and cholesterol is a critical raw material your body needs to build and maintain healthy, youthful skin. Without it, your skin may suffer. And here's something you might not know. Most people believe the FDA thoroughly tests cosmetics for safety. Unfortunately, that's not the case. The cosmetics industry is largely self-regulated. It's an honor system. In the US, companies can put almost anything in their products with minimal oversight. For context, the European Union has banned over 1,600 chemicals from cosmetics. In the United States, only about 30 are banned. Now, let's get into the real secret, the food that beats all of these creams, serums, and lotions. This food is packed with vitamin A, retinol, which is absolutely essential for building connective tissue and protecting your skin's immune system. Vitamin A also helps prevent premature aging of skin cells. Next, this food provides copper, which gives your skin elasticity, and zinc, which is critical for healing. It also contains iron, which strengthens red blood cells, improves circulation, and helps deliver oxygen throughout the body. Just one serving of this food contains more anti-aging nutrients than most $80 skin creams. So, what's the food? It's liver. Specifically, grass-fed liver. Grass-fed liver is nature's multivitamin. It contains virtually every cofactor, vitamin, and mineral your skin needs to stay vibrant and youthful. But here's the challenge. Many people don't like the taste of liver. Honestly, I don't enjoy it either. For me, eating liver sometimes makes me feel tired. That's because of past liver damage from years of eating unhealthy foods. When your liver has been stressed by poor diet, alcohol, chemicals, or even viruses, it can react to dietary liver. Resident memory T cells in the liver can trigger an immune response, releasing histamines and causing fatigue after eating it. The solution I've found is to take a small amount of grass-fed liver in capsule form before bed. This way, I don't feel tired during the day, and I still get the full benefits for my skin and health. If you want to try eating liver directly, here are some tips to make it more enjoyable. Soak it in lemon juice before cooking to reduce the strong taste. Use spices, onions, or herbs to flavor it. Mix small amounts of liver into ground meat, like hamburger patties. Try liver pate, which is surprisingly delicious. Or take grass-fed liver supplements if the taste is simply not for you. Remember, if you want youthful, radiant skin, liver is one of the best foods you can add to your diet. It's full of the building blocks your skin needs, not just collagen, but the cofactors required to help your body naturally produce and maintain healthy skin. Now, one final note. Your lifestyle choices matter just as much as your diet. Consuming processed junk food, too much sugar, or harmful seed oils will accelerate skin aging. These foods stress the body and make you look older faster. I've also noticed, from working with patients, that people who follow extreme low-fat diets, even ketogenic ones, can experience skin and hair issues. When you eat low-carb but also go nearly fat-free, relying on lean protein and synthetic, low-quality supplements, your skin looks dry, your hair brittle, and your overall appearance aged. Yes, you might lose weight, but at what cost to your skin and long-term health? So, instead of wasting money on creams full of toxins, start nourishing your body from within. Grass-fed liver is one of the most powerful, natural anti-aging foods you can consume. Try incorporating it into your diet, even in small amounts, and watch your skin transform. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing health videos on Health Fact 10M.